What's up, everybody? Hope you guys are doing well. We're going to do 10.4 today, which shouldn't be too bad. It's just about circumference and area, so it's kind of a review. So we know that the formula for area is pi and then times the radius squared. So pi r squared. In the equation for circumference, the outside, like the perimeter of a circle, is 2 pi r, or you can write it as the diameter times pi, because 2 times the radius is the diameter. So either way is perfectly fine with that. And for this, do not use 3.14. We are going to leave it in terms of pi, because pi is an irrational number. We are going to leave it exact as possible. If you use 3.14, you will be marked wrong for this. Except for the last couple problems, and I'll show you about that. So, numero uno. So, the radius is 12, and I gotta find the area of the circumference. So for area, we're gonna do pi, and then the radius is 12, so 12 squared. And you know what? Just for the sake of this, I'm gonna say this is 12 inches. So the area, 12 squared, is 144. We're just going to leave it as 144 pi and then inches squared. If I want to do the circumference, because I have to find both here, it is 2 pi and then the radius 12. Well, 2 times 12 is 24. 24 pi. And inches. This is inches squared because it's area. This is inches because it's the circumference. For number 2, this whole thing is 6. So this is the diameter. So the radius has got to be 3. So A is, and then 3 squared, so the area is 9 pi. So for the circumference, I can do 2 pi r, or what I can do is just the diameter, which is 6 times pi. So that's it for number 2. Pretty easy. For number 3, we have to actually find the radius, and it tells us that the circumference is 97 centimeters. So if I set this up, well, it says circumference is 2 pi r. So if I do 97 equals 2 pi r, I can divide both sides by 2 pi. So just do, so you can put the pi 2 and then the pi button in your calculator. And this is okay to use the 3.144. Only these types of problems. The other ones, no, in terms of pi. You get 15.4 and the unit is centimeters. And then finally, numero quattro. The area is 153 centimeters squared. So it says area, that's pi r squared. So 153 equals pi r squared. I'm going to divide both sides by pi. And I get 48.7 equals r squared. And to get rid of a square, I gotta square root both sides. So r comes out to be 6.98 centimeters. That's it. Not bad at all. That should be kind of review. But for like numbers 1 and 2, when I'm telling you find the circumference and area, please leave that in terms of pi. I will mark you wrong if you don't do that. Thanks, and don't forget your units. Thanks. I hope you guys have a great day.